Hi everyone, welcome to our video for the National English Speaking Contest 2020.
The name of our team is HOuen. First, we will say something about us, our school and Song Hảo Farm, where we are living. Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Đức Huy. I come from a family of 4 people, my parents, my older brother and I. My parents are famous. My older brother is a programmer and designer for a company in Ho Chi Minh City. And now, I'm a student in last 12A3 at TRад N Secondary and High School. I'm interested in computer science. I love computers so much. And my dream, I want to become a good programmer. And now, I'm preparing for graduation high school examination. So I'm under a lot of pressure. However, I really want to win a place at university. And I think I can do it. And this is my friend. Let's listen to know more about him.
My full name is NGỌC. I'm 18 years old. I come from a family with 4 people. My parents are farmers, and my elder brother is a student at Cantor University. When I have free time, I like singing with my parents and going out with my friends. Like Đức Huy, I'm a student in retail. We are preparing for the graduation examination in the next August. I hope that my friend and I will achieve what we want in this examination.
Next, we want to introduce my school, TRad N Lower and Upper Secondary School. Maybe my school isn't so well known in Cantor City, but we are proud of being the student in this school. For me, this is a great school. My school has a lot of school facilities such as library, computer room, laboratory, and so on. Furthermore, my school has many nice teachers such as my homeroom teacher, my English teacher, and our principal, Mr. G. He's a kind and humorous person. We will fly here after the next month. After the examination, and I think I will remember this place because of a variety of memories of friends, teachers, studying, and many things.
Our English teacher gave us information about this contest. At first, we are shy to take part in this contest because we are in revision period of time for the examination. We love English. Although we are not confident in our English speaking skill, but she encouraged us to participate in this contest and asked us to consider it as a chance to speak English and advertise our school.
And the topic we want to mention today is learning English. As you know, English is an international language, and in Vietnam, it is an obligatory subject in high school and in the graduation high school examination. We all know the importance of English. However, when studying English, we get many problems. Speaking, listening, writing, etc. And they look like the big problems we have to solve. However, English is very interesting if you try to practice it regularly.
And today, we will give several tips which is our experience and knowledge we achieve on the internet. We hope that these tips will be useful for you to learn English. Look at the world again after 24 hours, after 1 week, and after 1 month.
Break. The more times you see a word, the more easily you can remember it.
Do word puzzle and game like crossword, word searches.
Learn work with your friends. It can be more fun and easily to learn with someone else. And especially, you need to learn how to use a dictionary.
And learn a few words, but not too many. About 8 new words a day is a good number.
This is our school, and something we want to say about learning English, a beautiful language. And what do you think about our sharing? Is it interesting? Let us know in the comment. But for now, goodbye and have a nice day.